Albuquerque has issued a royal and small stream flood advisory for northwestern San Juan County and northwestern New Mexico until 5 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms moving slowly east over the Four Corners region north of Shiprock and Farmington. These storms will be capable of producing a quick 1/2 inch to 1 inch in less than 1 hour. The heaviest rainfall has impacted the Ute Mountain Indian Reservation, Reservation Road 38, Highway 491 north of Shiprock, and areas along the Colorado border. Locations impacted include Shiprock, Kirtland, Fruitland, Nononazit, Rattlesnake, and La Plata. Other locations affected include Thomas Canyon Recreation Area. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 5 o'clock p.m. for the following county, San Juan, New Mexico. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a flash flood warning for north central San Juan County and northwestern New Mexico until 5 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain over La Plata. Flash flooding is likely. This will impact highways 170 and 574 and County Road 1191. Locations impacted include La Plata. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 o'clock p.m. for the following county, San Juan, New Mexico.